Exercise E. Listen. Let's listen for main ideas. We will listen to the conversation and then answer the two questions.
Page 26. Exercise E. Listen for main ideas. And page 27. Exercise F. Listen for details.
Hey, Tom. Welcome back. How was your vacation?
It was awesome.
Oh, yeah? Where did you go?
I went to the Serengeti National Park. I spent 10 days on a photo safari.
Wow! What made you decide to do that?
Well, there were a couple of reasons. First of all, about 6 months ago, I read an article called something like Why You Should Go on a Safari to Africa Now. The main point was that countries like Kenya and Tanzania rely on tourism to pay for wildlife conservation. And conservation is essential because so many African animals are endangered. For example, there used to be about 65,000 black rhinos in Africa. And now there are only about 4,000 in the whole world. They're almost extinct.
Really? What happened to them?
Poaching. People killing them illegally. I decided that if I could help to save rhinos or elephants or any other animals by going on a safari, I was going to do it. That was my main motivation.
I see. What was the other reason?
Well, you know that I love photography.
Oh, yeah. How many pictures did you take?
About 1,000.
Ooh, can I see them?
Well, I only have a few here, but sure. Let's see. Okay, here's a typical Serengeti landscape.
Wait, how big is the Serengeti?
It covers 5,700 square miles. You can see how flat it is. It's just miles and miles of tall grass. And here and there, you see acacia trees. You know, the famous ones that look like umbrellas.
It's so green.
Yeah, April is the rainy season. It rained every day on my trip.
Did you travel alone or did you go with a guide?
I went on a group tour with a professional guide. We traveled in jeeps with 7 seats, and at night we slept in tents, in a camp.
That sounds like fun.
Yeah, it was. Here's a picture I took at a drinking hole early one morning.
I see zebra and... What are these black animals with horns?
They're called wildebeests. They're members of the antelope family. They look kind of scary, don't you think?
Yeah. Oh, what about the big cats? You know, lions, cheetahs, leopards. Did you see any of those?
No leopards, but lots of lions. Here, look. One afternoon, we were driving along, and we saw these 2 female lions lying in the middle of the road, asleep. So our guide stopped the Jeep about 10 feet away, and we just sat there watching them for about 15 minutes. They never moved.
Aw, nice picture.
And here's a shot of a female cheetah. She's chasing a baby gazelle. See? The Serengeti has around 1,500 cheetahs. That's the second largest cheetah population in Africa.
Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, right?
Right.
That's a great photo. What happened to the gazelle?
The cheetah caught it about 30 seconds after I took this picture.
Oh, no. How did it make you feel to see that?
I accepted it. See, when you're out there in the park, you realize how everything in nature is connected. Animals like gazelles eat grass, and then animals like cheetahs eat gazelles. That's how nature works. It's an endless cycle, and we're just a tiny part of it.
Let's look at numbers 1 and 2. Number 1. Why did Tom decide to go on a safari? Choose 2 reasons. So, cut and paste 1 and 2, and for your assignment, for number 1, choose 2 reasons from A, B, C, and D. For number 2, it says, look at Tom's photos. Number them in the order you hear them discussed in the conversation. So for number 2, you put a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 4 beside each letter. For example, does this picture show the second part of the story? If so, put a 2. Does this picture show the last part of the story? If so, put a 4. Now, there are 4 pictures. Here are the other 2 pictures. So, number these pictures according to the order in the story. You will probably have to go back and listen to the recording again. Good luck.